Struggling to decide if LinkedIn Premium is worth the upgrade? Let's break down LinkedIn versus LinkedIn Premium to see which option best fuels your career goals. First up, advanced search with standard LinkedIn. You're limited in filtering potential connections and job candidates. LinkedIn Premium unlocks hyper-specific searches. See that refined list? Premium lets you target candidates or jobs using criteria like years of experience, company size, and specific skill sets, giving you a massive advantage in finding the perfect fit or being found by recruiters. Next, InMail on the standard platform. You can only message people within your network. Premium gives you InMail credits, allowing you to directly message individuals outside your immediate connections. It is a game changer for reaching out to recruiters, potential mentors, or industry leaders who might otherwise be unreachable. Use them wisely. LinkedIn Learning is another major premium perk. You gain access to thousands of expert courses covering business, technology, and creative skills, whether you are looking to upskill in project management or learn a new software. LinkedIn Learning is a robust resource. These courses can bolster your resume and keep you competitive in today's fast-paced job market. So, is LinkedIn Premium worth it? If you are serious about job searching, networking aggressively, or dedicated to continuous professional development, the advanced search, InMail credits, and learning resources offer a significant edge. However, if you are just casually browsing, the standard platform might suffice. Evaluate your needs and choose wisely to maximize your LinkedIn experience.